Hi everybody, welcome to MrsLinsKitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make Yoshinoju. Yoshinoju or Yoshino soups comes from the town of Yoshino in Japan, and it is normally eaten during cold nights. This dish is traditionally made using various ingredients such as fish, chicken, root vegetables, shiitake mushroom, and bamboo shoot, and then thickened with Kuzu flour, which is grown in this area. However, this flour has become expensive, so nowadays people use potato flour instead. Today I'm going to show you my version of Yoshinoju, so let's get started. Here is the ingredients overview. In this recipe, I use daikon, carrot, gobo, lotus root, and spinach leaves, but you can always change up the ingredients depending on your liking. Some people add fish or chicken, bamboo shoots, and other root vegetables. Here are some alternative ingredients I like to use in my Yoshino soup. You can easily find them at any Asian supermarket. To prepare the vegetables, first peel the skin and wash them under water. Slice the carrot and gobo diagonally. Put the gobo slices into a bowl of water to prevent it from browning. Slice the lotus root and cut the slices into fourths. You'll also need to put the lotus root in water. Cut the daikon the same way as the lotus root. It is optional, but you can add aburage or fried tofu. Simply cut it into small pieces. Chop the spinach leaves. Mix 1 tablespoon of potato starch with 1 tablespoon of water. Make sure the starch is all dissolved. On medium-high heat, bring 4 cups of dashi to a boil and add daikon and lotus root. Boil for 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, put in carrot and gobo and boil for another 3 minutes. When the time is up, season the soup with salt, soy sauce, and sake. If you use fried tofu, add the tofu now. Sprinkle spinach on the top and pour in the potato starch mixture to thicken the soup. Stir everything well together and your Yoshino soup is ready to be served. So here is Yoshinoju or Yoshino soup that I make today. It's very simple and easy. You can always cut up and prepare those ingredients ahead of the time. If you don't like some of the ingredients or cannot find them, you can always substitute with some root vegetables in seasons. I hope you enjoy watching me show you how to make Yoshino soup today. Please don't forget to click the like button down below and leave us some comments if you have any. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and happy eating! Flavor is really good.